Let's be honest, programming is hard. It's not a joke or an exaggeration. There are many people on any aspect you go on to that will say this is hard because, yeah, dedication is something that many people don't assume because it is hard. Yet programming has something special, and that is the vast amount of stuff that you must master. And the first one would be obviously problem solving. It is not that much expression, but just getting into logic, getting onto the real world. So our emotional brain must work a little bit less in comparison to our logical brain. And this is actually harder than it sounds. So the approach on Stoicism in programming would be that focus on what you can control. And that means basically that you can control the learning, the process of learning, but not everything. Even those things that you still are not conscious on. There will be a lot of stuff that you don't know about. And yeah, we have this mentality of, but this depends on me and I should know this concept, etc., etc. But we have another resource, and that is time. So this depends on time to get the knowledge. You will not know everything on just at the instant. This idea came to me when I developed a project, my first backend project, about just populating an image and getting a special sound effect on it. I was completely excited about just deploying it, and actually I did it, but yep, there was a problem within my app that the gallery of each person wasn't actually that private and everyone was sharing the same gallery. Yet I admitted that I assume that I cannot just know everything, and even if I could solve that problem, I gave my best. Actually, it just got harder than I thought. It doesn't mean that I gave up, but I had to move on to other projects. Similarly, this wasn't a lack of ambition, but I just exaggerate with the features and unnecessary stuff that I wanted on my project. So while the object was clear, I just had more ideas and more ideas. I couldn't just focus on the principal stuff. I actually got more into the front end and the styling of the app. So my advice over here is just focus on what you can control, your calmness, and what you can do right now. Besides focusing on the essential and being the most logical version of you, there are many things that are outside of our control. So a very follow principle on Stoicism would be that, yep, everything changes, and probably, I don't know, let's say that Python on the future could just die. And not assuming specifically, but this case is happening with PHP. On the past it was very popular, but today it is being basically replaced. It is a meme currently. So goodbye. I am Fabrizio Machado from Cipheros. We are an enterprise about programming with digital gaming vibes that uploads videos about backend, sometimes math, but principally all about educational content. Here you have 2 courses, 3 playlists that you can get interested to. Which is the first one is Programming Every Day Until College, owned by me. A lot of experiences, not that entertainment exactly, but there are many educational stuff that you can learn from. And the other one would be Calculus 1 Crashy Coursy, which is just getting up your program solving skills. Thanks for watching.